Hey, Sean Tepper here. In this video, I want to kind of highlight some of the key features we added in 2025 and then go over a roadmap for 2026. We've got a lot of fun features, including a way for you to accumulate points and trade those points in for stocks at select brokers. Some of the highlights from 2025 included updates to your portfolio tracker. We needed to do that first for the big feature of the year, which was the broker connection feature. So we are connected with SnapTrade and ConnectTrade, two third-party companies that have made connections to about 25 brokers around the world. Some of the brokers include Robinhood, Alpaca, E-Trade, Schwab, Fidelity, and the list goes on. But the goal is they're going to try to add more brokers over time and maybe even take that list to maybe 30, 35. But of course, keep this in mind, the brokers they connect with, they need an API connection. eToro, if you're listening, you don't have an API connection today, but a lot of your customers have been reaching out to Tykr asking if you can add an API. But anyway, the portfolio tracker has been a great way to sync up your portfolio to Tykr so your stocks in your portfolio are updated every day. We also migrated from Paddle to Stripe for payments. Long story short, there's a lot of different payment applications out there such as Paddle, ChargeBee, Recurly, and of course Stripe. And I have to say this, Stripe has made the most software updates over the last few years. It is probably the superior SaaS payment platform on the market. They're best in class. We also added a feature we call public-facing landing pages. Not a lot of our customers know about this, which is fine, but it has just enough data, and I'll show you here. If you go to Tykr.com, you go to stocks, this is all front-facing, meaning it's indexed in search engines. We've got about 60,000 stocks in the market, and what this does is it creates a unique landing page for each with a lot of SEO-friendly copy. So for example, if people are searching for, should I buy Apple stock, or is Apple stock a good buy, these pages are going to start to pop up. And I can tell you what, our traffic doubled, if not tripled, within like 2 or 3 months. It was an incredible addition to our tech stack. So any of you building a SaaS business, just food for thought if you want to look into something like that. And we added more ratios. And the last thing I'll say is we kind of peppered these how it works buttons around the platform. We know education is a big deal, especially for retail investing. So if you go to Tykr, you can click on how it works on any stock page, and it's going to kind of teach you how to use the tool. All right, let's get into what are we adding in 2026. The first thing, and we're working on this right now, which we call trending alerts. So the new daily summary will be shorter because we're going to drive people to the web app and mobile app for all the data, such as the top search stocks of the day, the top gainers, top losers. But what's nice, within Tykr, we can kind of customize the modules to look however we want. Whereas if you try to do that with an email, which is something we tried to do over the years, it's a bit limited because email providers don't have all that flexibility. We like to control the outcome for our customers. So that's why we're kind of migrating that and doing more of that within the web app and mobile app. So again, daily email will be shorter, but we're adding a lot of other alerts to complement it. So here we go. We'll add individual emails for top stocks you picked, summary changes, score changes, margin of safety changes, portfolio performance. So it's going to give you an update or a snapshot of, hey, how's your portfolio doing? We'll add transaction alerts, breakout alerts. This is a big one. So check this out. When a stock goes from a negative EPS over a few quarters and then jumps to positive, that can be a pretty big inflection point with a company. And what we're going to do is allow a lot of investors to get ahead of the curve. In other words, they're going to see something happen before most people do on Wall Street. So that feature is probably one of my new favorite features, especially with the alerts that's coming soon. We'll also add profit declining alert. Let's say you've got a really strong stock. It's on sale, it's got a high 4M score, and all of a sudden it has an EPS quarter that starts to go down. Like it's really high and it drops. You're going to get a notification that pretty much says, hey, the summary score or MOS may not change yet, but the EPS is declining. You want to pay attention to this stock. Also, I had earnings reports or summaries, essentially just saying if a stock beat its earnings report. We'll add stock splits and then the 7 changes. The 7 is one of the most important features, kind of rolls up all the scores in Tykr to a nice, easy rating system, pretty much 0 to 7. It'll show you like XYZ stock just flipped from, let's say, 5 to a 7. You're going to get those notifications. We're also working on, as we speak, a feature called the AI Investing Helper. And there's really 3 key components to it. The first part is, as it's phrased, AI Investing Helper, but allows you to interact with Tykr. You can learn how to invest. You can ask questions such as, hey, I'm looking to build a portfolio of 10 strong tech stocks or something like that. but there's a wide variety of questions you can ask it. You can also click easy buttons that have kind of preloaded questions. On top of that is the AI investing helper. That's the second component. So kind of like what I talk about with the tech stocks, but you can ask it to build hypothetical portfolios for you. Like, let's say, give me a tech stock portfolio, or give me a dividend portfolio, or give me a food stock portfolio, or car stock, or whatever you want, but it'll kind of build those for you. And then you can quickly add those stocks to a watch list thereafter. And then the third component will be the AI portfolio analyzer. So you can use that to analyze a current portfolio and see if there's some improvements that can be made. Of course, when we first launch this, it's gonna be kind of in a beta mode, but over time as we kind of work out the details, because AI we know is smart, but it's not that smart. There's a lot of rigor you have to put in place, and we've done a lot of that, but we're going to get some help from you guys, hopefully, to kind of fine tune it as we go. But that's going to be a really exciting feature. Then we will add the ability, this is really thanks to SnapTrade and ConnectTrade, is the ability to buy and sell stocks within Tykr. Not all brokers will allow this, but there are a few that, yes, when your broker is synced up, you will have that ability to buy and sell stocks in Tykr. Of course, keep this in mind. The trade is facilitated by the broker, not by Tykr, and it will say that on the little pop-up. For example, if you're using Robinhood, you'll click buy. You want to buy, let's say, 10 shares of XYZ stock. It will say, hey, this trade is facilitated by this broker. In this case, it would be Robinhood. Just an example. Next up, we're going to add templates, or what we call easy button templates. It's kind of like pre-built watch lists or portfolios. You can go ahead and click a button. It's going to copy it right to your watch list. So one of them is like the top 1% strongest stocks in the market. That's really based on that 7 feature. You're going to see a list and you can just bam, click a button. It's going to copy it. You can also see the individual stocks within and copy those one by one to a watch list. There'll also be like top food stocks, top car stocks, top tech stocks, Meg 7, and the list goes on. And I love this about software platforms. This is another idea for you entrepreneurs out there. If you're building a SaaS tool, and we probably should have done this a lot earlier in the journey of building Tykr, but create templates for your customers. It is seriously one of the best ways to start your platform. So it's like, all right, we're 5 years in. Yeah, we should probably add that. So that's coming soon. We're going to add, this is a small feature, but a big deal, is the ability to reorder in your navigation, your watch lists and portfolios. So we know some people have like 20, 30, 40, 50 different watch lists, and they're kind of stuck in the order in which you create them. Well, now we're going to create a page that allows you to kind of drag and drop the order. You'll be able to do that within web and mobile. Again, that's for both watch lists and portfolios. We're also going to create a family plan. A lot of people have been asking about family plans. We know Spotify and Netflix do a good job of that. It's like, you know what, why not? We're going to add that to Tykr. We're also working on a new data provider. So a lot of customers have been asking about adding real-time pricing or 15-minute delay. I'm talking to probably a handful of data providers. There's probably a dozen or so solid data providers around the globe. There's not a lot. It's a smaller niche market, but I did find a few, not everybody can do this, but a few that does provide real-time pricing or 15-minute delay in the US, 15-minute delay in the EU. Unfortunately, for those of you that are outside the US or EU, there's not a lot of options out there for real-time pricing or 15-minute delay, which means it'll be end-of-day data. We'll also get most stocks, ETFs, and crypto around the globe. Right now in Tykr, we have like 60,000 stocks, maybe just less. Well, we're going to see a much larger number there. And then the last 2 points here are a community feature and points feature. So check this out. With a community feature, you're going to have the ability to look at other people's portfolios. You're going to see what stocks they hold. You're going to see the weighted allocation. The thing we're going to do is we're not going to show the total portfolio size. The reason is we want to even the playing fields. If you ever read any books out there by Dan Ariely or anybody on behavioral psychology, one rule is you want to kind of create an even playing field. So that way, here's an example. If you have somebody who has $1 million portfolio and somebody who has a $100 portfolio, the person with a smaller portfolio is going to feel like they don't belong. Not in all cases, but in some cases. We don't want to train that type of behavior. So we're going to keep an even playing field. We'll keep your portfolio sizes anonymous, but people will be able to see what stocks you hold and what your allocation percentages are. And this is the big part of this, which is when they follow you, or like, let's say I follow a friend and that friend makes a trade, I will automatically get notified. That right there, a lot of people are looking for that feature. And this leads up to the big feature of the year, which is a point system. So I started running this idea by a few brokers, which is we're going to create a point system where you can earn points by making wise investment decisions. Like, let's say you're in wealth building mode and you hold 10 to 15 stocks and you keep buying the same stocks, not more stocks beyond that, but the same stocks. That's where you really build your wealth faster. Well, by doing so, you're going to earn points. You'll also earn points for stockpiling. That's when the market goes down. There's nothing wrong with your businesses, and you buy more, you're going to earn a ton of points. Well, then the key is you can then take those points and trade in those points at select brokers, not all brokers, but select brokers for free stock. Or in this case, a few brokers described it as, we can't really give away stock, but we can give away cash, and you can only use the cash in that broker. Again, not all brokers are going to be doing this, but there are a few that were like, yes, we absolutely want to do this. So this is going to give you a great way to earn more money without a lot of effort, and you can just keep reinvesting that money, building your wealth faster. All right, we got a lot to work on in 2026. Please like this video. Please subscribe if you hadn't already. And of course, please share this video. We're looking for more subscribers because the more people we can add to Tykr, the faster we can add these features. Thanks for checking out this video. We'll talk soon. See ya.